thus framing a variety in relation to a native standard inadvertently reinforce a linguistic hierarchy instead of celebrating these Englishes as independent, valid systems. The notions of native and non-native are more concerned with a person's race, ethnicity, country of origin, and language variety than with whether or not they speak this or that language as their first language, according to Thompson and Asimov. Now let's move on to Katru's three concentric circles model. According to Al-Mutairi, 2020, with the introduction of Katru's paradigm and the term World Englishes in 1985, new possibilities for comprehending the globalization of English language were made possible. The inner circle, outer circle, and expanding circle are three concentric circles that Katru 1985 used to illustrate how English is distributed. The kind of spread, the pattern of acquisition, and the functional domains in which English is used across cultures and languages are represented by these circles. The inner circle lists the nations, the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, where English is the dominant language and is utilized in both government and everyday life. Countries with British colonial links are included in the outer circle, and English is commonly used in government and social settings. The majority of the nations in this circle, including Ghana, Kenya, Singapore, Malaysia, India, and others, were formerly British colonies. In these nations, English is spoken as a second language. Code switching from own language to standard English. Learning may be hampered by the educational language, particularly if the subjects are ought to be unfamiliar to pupils. For students whose first language is not English, language may be a barrier to learning in some disciplines such as mathematics. Adding to one strategy to help kindergarten students better understand the material when studying English for math in their home tongue is to use their English with their native language, or code switch. Code switching from own language to standard English. Learning may be hampered by the educational language, particularly if the subjects being taught are unfamiliar to pupils. For students whose first language is not English, language may be a barrier to learning in some disciplines such as mathematics. Adding to one strategy to help kindergarten students better understand the material when studying English for math in their home tongue is to use English with their native language, or code switch. Code switching, or using more than one language within a single speech, is common among people who speak two or more of the languages spoken in a nation. English and other foreign languages are often interchanged and intermingled in conversation in multilingual Asian nations like the Philippines. Code switching is the most effective method for instructors and their young pupils to use while learning English. The fundamental reasons for classroom language shifts stem from students' struggles to follow the course of teaching in a single language. Teachers ought to consider the physiological and social effects of code switching because it incorporates linguistic functions and interactions in two or more languages. World Englishes, English as a lingua franca. At the moment, English is thought to be the greatest choice for communication between speakers of other languages, thereby being referred to as English as a lingua franca or international language, EIL. Academics like Seidhofer and Jenkins have contributed significantly to this subject with their insightful books and essays, particularly Jenkins' English as an International Language, a Phonology, and Seidhofer's Vienna Oxford English International Corpus, VOICE. The burden of understanding World Englishes and Standard English is what draws significant attention to their study. World Englishes and Standard English appears on the outer circle, but particularly the inner circle as well as the expanding circle. The difference between a codified World English like Indian English and the more fluid adaptive process of English as a lingua franca used in international communication. It appears that World English and English as a lingua franca have different meanings by definition. While the latter concentrates on interactions amongst English speakers, the former highlights the existence and application of diverse English norms worldwide. The ones who bear the burden of understanding in a global conversation. Speakers of English as their first language continue to have control over the language's norms, even though the majority of English speakers worldwide are now often in nations where the language is a foreign language. The future of English will be decided by individuals who speak it as a second or foreign language, even though native speakers may feel that the language belongs to them. Interlocutors appear to follow the FIRD 1996 has dogged the let it pass principle as long as a certain level of comprehension is reached. This makes ELF conversation appear to be explicitly consensus-oriented, cooperative, and mutually helpful.